Hi, I'm Luke North at WJ Titan, and you are in the lab. Today we're going to be discussing balloons, and not the kind you get from the creepy clown at your kid's birthday party, but rather balloon prints. A balloon print is a way for everyone to delineate the information given on a report and knowing which number on the report goes to which feature on the balloon. So here we have a training print to kind of show some of the things that we want to avoid and want to actually do to make our print more readable to our customers. Let me scoot in and give you a closer look. So as you can see, what we like to do, and was kind of the standard for ballooning a print, is you start at the top left and kind of move your way to the bottom right, moving from view to view and going clockwise around that view. So top left, first view, 1, then you go around 2, 3, 4, 5. Then once you're out of features there, move to the next view and just work your way down to over here. As you can see, this is for training purposes only. We would never actually show a client's print. We take that very seriously here. Another thing we want to try to avoid is here you can see these numbers and balloons are different sizes. It's not a huge deal, but when these get really full, when you've got hundreds of features on a print, it can really kind of start getting confusing. Over here where you see the balloon is actually covering part of the part, and some of the arrows and lines that tell the operator or whoever's looking at this print what is being inspected, we want to avoid that. We want to make sure that balloon numbers are off to the side, or you can even use leader lines. We don't have any here, but if you need to, put a print or a balloon over off to the side and then put a leader line pointing to what feature you're referencing, you can do that as well. The goal here is just make it clean and easy for anyone to read when they're trying to look at the report and figure out the data compared to the print. Sorry about that. Okay, excuse me. So if you have any questions regarding ballooning, how to read a balloon, how to make a balloon animal, I can't help you with that. But I can help you with how to read a balloon print. If you have any questions or want to talk about it further, just hit me or anybody else at WJ Tighten up, shoot an email, drop a comment, and let me know if you like the video. Tell me what you want to hear me talk about next. And as always, I'm Luke North at WJ Tighten, and you are in the lab. I don't know, what do you think? No, I don't think that was very good.